Hello everybody, this is the Gunny out here and we're teamed with Urban Brew Coffee. These guys are the ones that help us put on the Cars and Coffee every month out here. So if you could do us a favor, come out here and get a cup of brew with them and Kim Booz and his family and his crew. All right, thanks a lot.
This is my 1970 Chevelle Malibu. It's going to be one of the rides that are available at our June 19th Father's Day car show. Also want to let you know all proceeds are going to go to Operation Warrior Reconnect, helping people who've been wounded in battle to recover and be rehabilitated mentally, spiritually, physically. Just a wonderful event. So make sure you get on there, see which class you want to register your ride for, and come on out. It's going to be a great time. Families invited. It's going to be just an awesome time. Food trucks, raffles, giveaways. Can't wait to see you.
Barrel in the cage and he sticks that thing in right up his butt and he turns it, he starts running.
My name is Michael Holden from Beaufort, South Carolina. I've got a 2015 F250 with 6.7 diesel, 6-inch BDS lift, 5-inch exhaust all the way back, fuel 2-piece forged rims, 22 by 12s on 37 13.5-inch tires, new knit-on Recons, 8-inch exhaust pipe. Do have S&B air intake, getting ready to do the wicked wheel and the turbo, upgrade the injectors. Recon headlights, custom made, painted to match the truck. Same with the rear headlights or tail lights. Amp research, drop down bars. And a 10-inch Denny drop hitch.
And you like this video and you like the content that we're putting out, go ahead and like the video, if you will, and hit that little thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. It'll only help me grow and give you more information. Well, everybody, I hope that you had a good time checking out all the new cars and the older cars and everything that came out today out at the Cars and Coffee. I hope that you are able to come out and give Urban Brew some of your business for helping us put this on. And again, I'm gonna ask you one more time, if you enjoyed it, like the video, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, and guess what? I'll see you again soon.